If you're keeping more than £2,000 sitting in your UK current account, you're probably making a mistake. Not a dramatic mistake, not a "you're bad with money" mistake, a quiet one. The kind of mistake 90% of people don't even realize they're making. Because on the surface, you look responsible. Your parents would approve. Your mates would say you're good with money. Your banking app looks healthy. You open it. 4 figures, maybe even 5, and your brain relaxes. Okay, I'm doing all right. But behind the scenes, you're bleeding money every single month. No alerts, no overdraft warnings, no moment where everything goes wrong, just a slow, silent financial leak. And the scariest part, the system has been designed to make this feel perfectly normal. My name is Prophet Prince, and I didn't build financial freedom with lottery tickets, inheritance, or shouting motivational quotes on social media from a rented car. I didn't wake up financially aware. I was taught the same rules as everyone else. Work hard, save your money, keep cash in the bank, don't take risks. And for a long time, I followed those rules. I felt proud watching my balance slowly climb. I felt safe. What I didn't realize at the time was that I was playing a game where the rules guaranteed I'd never win. I wasn't falling behind fast enough to panic. I wasn't moving forward fast enough to escape. I was just stuck. Most people believe a big bank balance equals security. It feels safe. It feels adult. It feels like control. You check your phone, see a healthy number, and your nervous system relaxes. I'm doing okay. That feeling is addictive, especially in a city like London, because everything around you is expensive. Rent, transport, food, social life. So if you're not struggling, you assume you're winning. But here's the truth most people never hear. Idle cash is the enemy of wealth, and it's very good at pretending to be your friend. Your current account has exactly one job, and that job is not making you rich. It's designed to make spending easy. Tap, swipe, Apple Pay, gone. No friction, no thinking, no pause to ask if you actually needed it. That's not an accident. That's design. Here's something uncomfortable. When money is easy to spend, it disappears faster. And when money feels abundant, discipline quietly leaves the room. You don't notice it happening. You just start saying yes more often. Yes to convenience, yes to upgrades, yes to things that aren't that expensive. Until one day you realize your lifestyle expanded, but your freedom didn't. Let's talk about the first invisible cost. Inflation. Inflation doesn't knock on your door. It doesn't introduce itself. It doesn't feel aggressive. It just quietly erodes your purchasing power. While you're busy living your life, your bank balance stays the same, but what it can buy keeps shrinking. That coffee that used to be £3, £3.50 now. Your rent goes up at renewal. Your energy bill becomes a guessing game. Your food shop costs £20 more, and you didn't even buy anything exciting. No steak, no treats, just vibes. This isn't politics. This isn't opinion. This is maths. If your money isn't growing, it's slowly dying. There is no neutral position. Standing still is moving backwards. Now let's talk about your bank, because they're having an amazing time. They take your money, they lend it out, they invest it, they leverage it, they make serious returns. And what do they give you back? Convenience. Maybe 1% interest if you're lucky, sometimes less. You're essentially giving them a free loan so they can get rich while you stay exactly where you are. That's not conservative investing. That's financial charity with better branding. And the wildest part, they've convinced you that you're the smart one. But here's the trap that really keeps people stuck, the psychological one. Large balances destroy urgency. When you see 5,000, 10,000 just sitting there, your brain relaxes. You tell yourself there's no rush, no pressure, plenty of time. You delay decisions that could change your trajectory. You postpone learning new skills. You put off making moves because everything feels fine. And that false sense of security is more dangerous than being broke. When you're broke, you know you need to act. When you're comfortable, you drift. And drifting is how people wake up 5 years later in the exact same financial position with slightly more money and significantly less time. Same job, same routine, same stress, just older. If you're still listening, this matters, because this isn't about being reckless. It's about being honest. Here's the rule that changed everything for me. Never keep more than £1,000 to £2,000 in your UK current account, ever. Enough for bills, enough for food, enough for weekly life, enough so life doesn't surprise you. Anything above that needs a job. Because money without instructions will always find a way to disappear. Not because you're irresponsible, but because money is lazy. If you don't tell it where to go, it defaults to comfort. And comfort is expensive. So how do people who actually win with money structure it? Not with hacks, not with secret tricks, with order. First, stability. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high interest, easy access savings account. Not to get rich, to stay standing. This buys you calm. It means a surprise expense doesn't knock you off course. It means you stop making decisions from fear. That alone puts you ahead of most people. Second, growth. Long-term compounding capital. Index funds, ETFs, staking. Yes, boring. No adrenaline, no screenshots, no dopamine hits, but effective. This money works quietly while you're asleep, training, traveling, or building income elsewhere. You don't need motivation, you need patience. Time does the heavy lifting. Third, skill leverage. This is the most underrated bucket. Money allocated to learning skills that increase your ability to generate income on demand. Digital and financial markets, property deal flow, sales, digital systems. This isn't spending, this is upgrading yourself. Assets grow money, skills grow income, and income is what actually changes your life. Once you know how to create money, you stop feeling trapped. You stop fearing job loss. You stop clinging to comfort. That's real security. And finally, opportunity capital. Money reserved for asymmetric moments, deals, moves, positions, opportunities that don't come often but change everything when they do. Most people miss these moments, not because they lack intelligence, but because all their cash is locked up doing absolutely nothing. Opportunity doesn't wait, it moves fast, and it rewards those who are ready. Your current account should do one thing: handle cash flow, bills, food, transport, enjoyment. That's it. Not wealth building, not emotional reassurance, not pretending you're safe. Freedom isn't built by hoarding money, it's built by directing it. Order creates momentum. Momentum creates options. Here's the uncomfortable truth. This goes against everything you've been taught, but conventional wisdom creates conventional lives, and conventional lives are crowded. Financial freedom requires unconventional thinking, not reckless, not stupid, just intentional. If your money is sitting still, it's quietly moving against you, not because you're irresponsible, but because the system rewards direction, not comfort. If this made you uncomfortable, good. That means you're paying attention. Watch the next video, shocking money stats of the average Londoner and how to avoid their fate. That's where awareness becomes a plan, and a plan becomes separation.